and run to each other.
Go over there.
Y'all ready for this? Slow motion now. Ready, set, go. Jump hog now. Ready? Whee! Now wrestle. Who goes on the floor? See Lainey's face.
Crumpet. Crumpet. I want a crumpet. I want to bump it. Straight bumping that shit.
I want one of those things that jiggles. Like, you know the fat for the
Don't look at my budgie!
My belly button likes to say hi to people. That was really crazy.
Oh my gosh. Is it still recording, really?
Yeah.
How long are the recordings?
23 more minutes. It's been a minute. Poopy. Do that thing we all were doing.
What thing?
I drunk poop.
What? What? She drunk poop. She drunk poop? There was poop in her cup.
No, do that face where you get closer and closer.
What? Each other?
Yeah. Do you drink poop?
Tara drinks poop. I drink poop.
Lady, turn around. Say hi to the butt crack.
It says hello just like my belly button.
You remind me of Larry.
How do I remind you of Larry?
You guys, when he does that voice.
I don't know what you're talking
No, they're like Larry Ian. Don't record on me right now, please don't. But they're like,
Get it.
you know that thing Ian does?
I'm gonna do it.
Or when they're like,
Yeah. That's what they do to poop. 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 Snoop.
I find myself very
Poop.
You sound like, what's his name?
Dr. Diddle.
No. You sound like, hold on.
Sarah, look.
Charlie? No.
Fred.
You sound like Fred.
Hey, Bubby. Bubby, come say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. Bubby. Look, now Cindy's just saying hi.
What?
Cindy, let us say hi. Don't fix it.
Hi, we're best friends.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.